Hey guys, today we are studying the contribution of S.R. Ranganathan to the theory of library classification. Ranganathan is known as the father of library science in India. He transformed classification from a rigid system into a scientific and flexible system. His ideas are presented in Prolegomena to library classification. Earlier classification systems tried to list all subjects in advance, but knowledge is infinite, continuously growing, and multidimensional. Because of this, new subjects could not be included, and interdisciplinary subjects created confusion. So, a new approach was required. Ranganathan introduced the dynamic theory of classification. He stated that classification must adapt to new knowledge, allow expansion, and represent subjects logically. So, classification became flexible, expandable, and scientific. To implement this theory, he developed column classification in 1933. This is the first faceted classification system. Instead of placing a subject directly, he suggested first analyze the subject, then combine its parts. This is called the analysis synthesis method. He also introduced the concept of coextensive class number. This means the class number represents the subject completely and exactly. No extra, no missing. Let us take an example. Treatment of malaria in India in 2020. We break it into parts. Malaria, treatment, India, 2020. Then we arrange them logically. PMEST. Now we come to the most important concept. PMEST. Do not memorize it, understand it. Personality. Personality means the core subject. Ask one question. What is this topic about? Example, treatment of cancer. This is about cancer. So, cancer is personality. Growth of plants. Plants is personality. Education of women. Women is personality. Remove everything else. What remains is personality. Matter. Matter means material involved. Examples soil, chemicals, machines. And energy. Energy means action or process. Examples treatment, growth, prevention. Space means place, like India, USA. Time means period. Example 2020. Now combine everything. Prevention of accidents in coal mines in India in 2020. Accidents, personality, coal mines, matter, prevention, energy, India, space, 2020, time. Coming to facet principles, wall picture. One concept must exist before another can act. Example, accidents must exist before prevention. So, accidents first, then prevention. Whole organ. Whole comes before part. Example, India, then Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a part of India. It's an organ of the whole. Cow calf. If two elements are inseparable, do not separate them, like mother and child. Act principle. Every action has four parts: object, action, actor, tool. Farmer plowing land using tractor. Land is object, plowing, action, farmer, actor, tractor is a tool. Canons. What are canons? Canons are rules for classification. They ensure clarity, logic, consistency. We have three planes. They are divided into and the idea plane, understanding the subject. This is thinking, brain work. Verbal plane, naming the subject. This is language work. Notational plane. Assigning symbols. This is number work. Remember, think, name, number. Final part, the phase relation. When two subjects combine, like science and society, it is a phase relation. What's the big idea? Knowledge is multidimensional, library arrangement is one dimensional. Classification converts multidimensional knowledge into one dimension. S.R. Ranganathan made classification dynamic, flexible, and scientific. Ranganathan transformed library classification into a dynamic, faceted, and scientific system capable of organizing the ever growing universe of knowledge. Pause and revise PMEST once. That is where marks are divided. Thank you for watching.